are here with us. I had a wonderful opportunity to get to talk with him several times over the phone, and I think you're really going to enjoy what he has to say today. David Halvorsen is the class of 51. He came to Tilton for a postgraduate year, and after graduating high school, he was on his way to Brown University when he suddenly and tragically lost his twin brother to cancer. The hockey coach at Brown, who was in the process of recruiting him, mentioned he may benefit from a PG year. While on the hill, Halvorsen was captain of the boys' varsity hockey team. He notes his 1 year at Tilton as his most important. After Tilton, David went on to Brown University for 4 years, where he was the captain of the men's hockey team and a member of the NROTC. He holds 2 degrees from Brown, a BA in economics and a master's in arts in teaching. Halvorsen served in the Navy for 2 years as an officer on a destroyer ship. He then worked at Cushing Academy for 14 years and held many positions over that time, including math teacher, assistant head of school, and hockey coach. He coached hockey for 20 years. After Cushing, Halvorsen went on to Mount Wachusett Community College in Gardner, Massachusetts, where he retired as Dean of Students in 1988. He has been retired and living on Cape Cod for 31 years. Today, he will be speaking about the big and small moments that change the course of your life. Please help me to welcome David Halvorsen.
Good morning. Yeah, I'm looking at your dress and thinking that we're still in Halloween costumes. When I attended this place, one or a couple of times, to all of the classes, this was back in the day. It was just a different situation. But I'm really impressed with the school. Jack yesterday, we took us on a tour, the new buildings that you have. I have been back a few times. I headed up the 45th and the 50th. And I've been back 1 or 2 other times, but not a lot. So it's great to see the school, the new buildings, and all of you. And much of what I was going to say, I think people and Charles has already said. Good morning, and thank you for making it possible for me to be with you here today. Why am I here? Tracy White, one of the administrators, comes to the Cape on occasion, and we visited, and she told me that your series this year was going to be on Moments Matter, these Friday gatherings. At the close of the visit, she asked if I'd be willing to take part, and I said yes. You can tell that by the fact that I'm here. I'm standing up. As we visit this topic, I hope to convince you that moments matter should be a most important item for you to think about the rest of your life and not just today. And I have this perspective to look back on it myself. And my going to Tilton became more and more important to me. I realized as I became 30, 40, 50, 60, and 86 years of age. So you're getting a great start with all that you're doing here today. A bit of my background, she already talked about. My twin brother just became ill in the senior year, and he died just before Christmas. So 2 months before that, he was a strapping guy, and he just died with cancer. And I was thinking of going off the ground already, but the coach said, thinking about all of this, I think it'd be better if you really went to a year of private school. So I wasn't sure about that. I thought about it, and I decided it didn't make some sense. And Tilton obviously was my choice. Little did I know that the year at Tilton will become as pivotal for me as it has become. It wasn't any one thing, it was everything. It was a classroom, athletics, student life, new relationships, and a new beginning. I did go to Brown, graduated with a BA in economics and a Master of Arts in teaching degree, and I was a captain of the ice hockey team. And I played hockey here, obviously. And and benefited from my involvement in the NROTC program. Is another kind of program, great for leadership skills, organization, all that kind of thing. This was followed by 2 years in the Navy, and it was time to settle in a career, and I chose education. After several years of pushing, I moved on to Massachusetts, as you said, and I graduated. Retired as a graduate student in 1988, 31 years ago. That's hard for me to believe. 31 years ago, I left the world of work, but I continued in retirement working for the community and working at my church, all in volunteer kinds of activities. And hopefully this will be what many of you might do as well. All of this brings us to the importance of your theme for this year, or your focus. Moments matter. I've always thought that how we spend our time each day was crucial. But knowing I was coming here, I did give it additional consideration. First and foremost, time is the only non-renewable resource. You can get money back without a doubt. Time you cannot get back. Therefore, how we spend even small amounts of that time is crucial. These small periods each and every day. So we should invest wisely. In many ways, these moments determine who we are as a person. Who we are as a person. Think of people you know. Often is it not true that they are known as much for who they are as for what they've accomplished in their careers. Perhaps a more significant job description should concern itself with our development as a person. That's really what this is all about in the long run, from my perspective, looking back and at the time I was spending over those years. Archbishop Desmond Tutu and the Dalai Lama were asked not long ago how we could solve more of the world's problems. Both of them together spoke right up and said, build a better person. Build a better person, and you build a better life for that person and for everyone else around that person. It does make sense. It makes a lot of sense. 2 examples. I'm a person who loves to set reasonable goals for myself for each day. Recently, I was on my way to the market, and I was realizing that I was never going to complete even half of them for a day. And I was really less than half pushing. As I was getting out of my car, an elderly lady prepared to leave in her car. She looked up at the clear, bright blue sky, a day like today, and said to me with a big smile, just look at that sky. It makes me feel that all is well. These words and her positive attitude made the rest of my day. My down feelings rebounded to up. Moments matter. A second example. A student, Nook by name, came up to me at Cushing Academy, where I originally worked, at a reunion just a year ago. And he said that I was very helpful to him when he arrived on campus. Nook was from Thailand. He knew no English. I evidently spent time with him trying to communicate what he was feeling, which was really homesickness. He did not understand the word, but eventually he found out by talking to his friends. He wanted me to know that our exchange helped him to feel more comfortable and welcomed at a new school in a new country. Now, this was only a year ago. This original exchange with Nook took place 50 years ago. And I hadn't seen him in the time in between. Moments matter. And these 2 examples are interesting. The first, the upper one, the bright blue sky, has likely forgotten the exchange, but to me, it made all the difference. In the second, the student Nook, he hadn't forgotten, but I had. It makes the point that these situations can go both ways. Life is a two-way street. Not a bad street to live on, is what an elderly lady told me. It's not a bad street. All of us are involved in many incidental exchanges like these every day. These moments might make up a major part of your day. The songwriter had it right. Little things mean a lot. In life, people generally think that the journey leads to the destination. Actually, might it not be with regard to our moments matter focus, that the destination is the journey. Today, as you move through today, this is part of your journey, it's part of the destination. You're becoming the person that you've got a good start on here, academically and personally. Also, back in the day, I was a math teacher. Algebra and geometry, math is an exact science. The whole is equal to the sum of its parts. I believe, again, regarding with this discussion, that a person needs to be alert and mindful of the opportunities that they present to people, because I think that the whole is actually greater than the sum of its parts. So there's a statement that all follows. At present, all of you are fortunate to be here at Tilton, receiving a well-rounded education. Remember, you will always be enrolled in the school of life, where often you might be the teacher as well as the student. It shifts back and forth, teacher as well as the student. Hopefully, you will remain a lifelong learner. Oh, by the way, don't forget to do your homework. Thank you. Anyone have a comment or question? I could tell you that when I was here with hockey, quite different from this rink you got over here now. Over the hill, over there, there was a little pond, and all the drag the boards down there, set them up. We spent more time making ice, clearing snow off the ice, than we did playing games. We played many of the same teams that we're playing now. One other incident that took place, this is something I can tell you, something that's not tell you. Downtown was a diner. The fellow always had specials. And one time, he put a sign out front that if you could drink one of these thick shakes, he would give you one free. So 5 or 6 of us went in. One fellow started to drink one of the shakes. He went to the bathroom, he came back, and he drank another one. That's 2. The same thing repeated itself. He drank another one, he went to the bathroom, came back. He had 4. This happened through 6. He drank 6 of these. No one could drink 6 of these. And then the front door of the place opened, and his twin brother came walking in the front door. It seemed they changed places in the men's room. That takes some ingenuity. So you got a lot you have to live up to. Anything on your minds that you'd like to ask someone? Me? Okay, thank you.